Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a window regulator in a Hyundai Sonata. First, gather your essential tools, including Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a 10mm socket, and a trim panel removal tool. Safety is paramount, so always disconnect your car's battery before starting any electrical work. Next, secure the window glass in its fully up position using painter's tape to prevent it from accidentally falling during the repair process. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer experience. Now let's remove the old regulator. Begin by carefully taking off the interior door panel, which typically involves 7 Phillips head screws and several plastic clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect all electrical connectors and the door handle cables. Next, locate and loosen the two 10mm bolts holding the window glass to the regulator, then unbolt the window motor, often secured by 3 T20 Torx screws. Finally, remove the entire regulator assembly from the door frame. With the old regulator out, it's time to install the new one. First, carefully position the new regulator assembly into the door, ensuring all mounting points align correctly. Secure it with its retaining bolts, typically 8 10mm bolts, making sure they are snug. Next, connect the window motor to the new regulator and reattach its electrical connector. Finally, carefully slide the window glass into the new regulator's clips and tighten the two 10mm bolts to secure it firmly. For the final steps, we'll reassemble and test. Reconnect all electrical harnesses and door handle cables to the interior door panel. Align the door panel clips with the door frame holes and firmly press the panel into place until all clips engage. Reinstall all screws and trim pieces, ensuring everything is securely fastened. Finally, reconnect your car's battery and thoroughly test the window's up and down operation to confirm a successful repair. Great job!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.